In the vast expanse of the universe, the Milky Way galaxy harbors a captivating secret. It is hurtling towards a cosmic collision of unimaginable scale. For eons, the Milky Way has been on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy, located about 2.537 million light-years away from us. This impending collision, projected to occur in about 4.5 billion years, is a consequence of the relentless expansion of the universe. Picture this cosmic dance: two immense galaxies, each containing billions of stars, dark matter, and nebulae, spiraling toward one another in the dark void of space. As they draw nearer, the gravitational forces between them distort their shapes, flinging stars and interstellar matter into new trajectories. This collision, however, is not a disastrous event for the inhabitants of our solar system. The vast distances between stars mean that they are unlikely to collide directly. Instead, the stars will pass by one another, like ships in the night, relatively unscathed on an astronomical scale. What ensues is a mesmerizing cosmic ballet, leading to the eventual merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda into a colossal galaxy. The merger will reshape the night sky as we know it, creating a new, vibrant tapestry of stars and constellations. Over millions of years, the merged galaxy will settle into a stable, larger elliptical galaxy, perhaps bearing little resemblance to its progenitors. This event, though unfathomably distant in the future, reminds us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. It underscores the grandeur of celestial phenomena and the intricate interplay of gravitational forces that govern the cosmos. As we gaze at the stars on a clear night, we are witnessing not just the past but also the future, where galaxies collide and merge, shaping the destiny of the universe in ways beyond our current comprehension.